I had a couple veins had to be collapsed in my leg. My leg was hard as a rock, and when they took I forget what, not x-rays, whatever they take, they saw that the veins were troubled. I couldn't go upstairs. This leg would pain like you cannot believe. I'd have to stop. I didn't know what it was, and that's what it was from. So now going up steps is like 90% better. I would tell them go, it's very good. They're very confident, you can call them at any time and they answer you. One time my leg was swelling so much and it wasn't my time to come in, but I called, they let me come in. They checked it. It was all right, I didn't realize it would swell so bad. So they're very accommodating. Everybody's been wonderful.